Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you on how to send money from USA to UK for the best possible tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using the Wise application. So you just have to open your Wise application and then just sign in to your account. Now, once you've signed up, you want to scroll all the way to the right until you see the UK flag. So you want to click on it, on the flag, and then click on add. And from here, you want to put in the amount of money that you want to send from USA to UK. So you can use bank transfer, debit card, Apple Pay, credit card, or even Swift. Then click on send and then just add a recipient. Now just click on the British pound and then just enter the bank details, and then after that just choose someone else. And from here you need to enter their full name, their UK sort code, their account number, and etc. And then once you're done filling all these informations, you just have to send the money or confirm. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.